truck engine needs a major overhaul, get a loan over the phone. 800-932-CASH or apply now at cagtruckcapital.com.
Attention homeowners, if you're buying a new home or refinancing your present one and you haven't locked in a low rate from Guaranteed Rate, don't miss out. Visit rate.com today. While the Fed recently decided not to increase interest rates, that isn't likely to last. They have 3 interest rate increases penciled in for 2017. So if you want to potentially save thousands of dollars, visit rate.com and lock in your low rate with Guaranteed Rate today. Type rate.com directly into your address bar to find and lock in a perfect loan for you at a low rate. You may be surprised by just how much money you could save. Don't wait for the Fed to raise rates. Go to rate.com now to lock in your low rate with Guaranteed Rate. Don't wait. Go to rate.com today. Terms and conditions apply. Not all applicants will be approved for financing. Call 1-888-672-1234 for cause information. E-Plus lending license in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. NMLS ID 2611.
Hi, I'm Greg Miner. As the founder of a small business, I know firsthand how difficult it can be to manage the cash flow problems. When I tried to borrow money, the banks wouldn't touch me, and I got a lot of fast talk from loan brokers. That's why we founded Merchant Capital Source 10 years ago, to help small business owners like you get the funding you need without getting the runaround. We'll fund your business from $5,000 to $200,000, and because we're a direct lender, there's no middleman to cost delays or cost you money. If you've been in business for 6 months and have sales of at least $15,000 per month, we can approve you within hours and put cash in your account within 3 days. The process is fast and easy, and the best part is that no tax returns, financial statements, or business plans are necessary. Experience the Merchant Capital Source difference and get cash for your business today.
Apply online at ncscash.com or call 800-838-2565. That's 800-838-2565. 800-838-2565. Loans made or arranged pursuant to a California finance lender's law license.
Avani Hakim was born with a rare growth on her hand. Avani Hakim was born with a rare growth in her hand. It was small at first, but became dangerously large. It was small at first, but became dangerously large.